right, we're here with Lee Caleb.
Yes. I got sick last year.
Yep.
Yeah, remember that. I wouldn't shake your hand.
Thanks so much for your interview. Have a great night.
I don't know if I can.
Shake my hand. No, don't, actually.
How many cough drops did you have last year?
60.
60?
Yeah.
How many this year?
Ephesians is a really good book. Children, obey your parents. Armor of God. 2 key things.
Oh yeah. What was your favorite passage as a senior this year?
2 Timothy 3, 1-9.
Favorite memory from this week so far?
From this week.
Thank you, Caleb. Lee, Mr.
Lee Caleb.